Hi there boys and girls! For today's experiment, we're going to see one of the impacts of global warming, which is melting of glaciers. Do you know what will happen if glaciers start to melt rapidly? Let us find out now. This experiment is going to be easy. All you need is colored water, 2 transparent containers, a marker, thumbtacks, plasticine, and also ice. First, you will need to put the plasticine in each of the containers, like this. This will act as the land for our experiment. Now, it's time to decorate our land. Use the thumbtacks and stick on the lands. Imagine that these thumbtacks are people and buildings on land. After you've settled that, pour the water on the empty area of the container. We're almost done with setting up. Now let's take our ice and place it in the water for our first container. And place it on your land for the second container. Okay, see the difference in the sea level here? Take your marker and draw a line to label so it is easy for you to measure later on. We're going to leave these 2 containers until the ice melts. We'll see the results after this. Okay, so now let us see the results. For our first container where we put our ice in the water, the level of water remains the same. While the second container where we put our ice on the land, the level of water has increased. So, what can you conclude from this? It clearly shows that when glaciers melt rapidly, it can cause sea level rise to occur. What are the effects of this? Lands will be flooded with seawater, destructive erosion, and even loss of habitats for animals. I hope that you now understand more about global warming and how it can affect our environment. Let us start to save our environment more, shall we?